Hey everyone, I haven't got my January BoxyCharm yet, but I did get a pop-up sale. Finally, I've been waiting for this for days because I ordered it in mid-January, so I figured you could come along with me and see what I got from the pop-up sale. These add-on sales get me every time. I cannot resist them. Uh, Are you guys like me and getting fully like carried away whenever they have like a pop up or an add on sale? Because, yeah. Anyway, so it's a large box, but it's only half full. Like most of this is. So I have a brush set. This I think was the one that came in the December Luxe box. It's the same brush set. I got it because I figured it had some nice shaped brushes that I wanted to check out for my own personal use. And then if I didn't like those, I wouldn't use product on. I wanted to feel the texture, and if I liked them, I'd keep them. If I didn't like them, I was gonna do it as a prize for one of my graduates when they come up to the next graduation. So I like to put together nice little prize packets for them to, be like, oh, congratulations, you graduated. So let's see what else I got. Oh, I had to get another Hipdot. This is the Zion. I already own the Zion, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So I got this to be a gift to my sister-in-law, Lily. She's my best friend, and I'm like, she will love these colors. So I got her this one as a gift. So I'm like, oh, they have it. I'm going to go ahead and buy that for her. And let's see, what else do I got? Ah, they had the QMS Lip Line Corrector on sale for like $10 or something. Normally it's like $200. I use this in my pro kit and it's very expensive. And so when I saw it was on sale, I was like, I need a backup for my pro kit. So that'll go into my fridge for when I run out of my other one. And then for my own personal use, again, another QMS products, cosmetics, the Intense Eye Cream for the under eye. I use this at night, and this is like $150 normally, and so when it was on sale, guess who bought three? These are gone in my fridge because I do not want to spend $150 if I can help it. So thank you, add-on sale from BoxyCharm. And then I got, this was a gift for my sister. She really likes the Coca Cabana cream. And then for myself, I really like the Laura Geller lip, like glosses color lipsticks. And so I really like how they feel, and they don't break me out. I'm very sensitive. And so I got two colors. That's a very pink, bright color. But I was like, oh, I want to try these colors, and because I really like this lip product. Anything that doesn't make me break out and wears a long time, I am happy with. So this one is Ruby Romance. And I think it's different than the one I am. And this one is more pinky toned. Oh. Oh. Ooh, I like my red lip. Because it has a nice blue undertone, my teeth won't look super yellow. That is something you have to be concerned about with red lipsticks. If the blue tones, your teeth look nice and white. Yellow tones, your teeth are going to look super yellow. Like you've been drinking coffee for 20 years straight. I'm really excited. So here is the ruby one. And whoop. And this one is the pink pucker. So the two colors next to each other. They are pretty bold. This looks super red on me, even though it's supposed to be a pink. It's just funny how colors like react to you. So that was my add-on indulgence. And any of you guys add on this time and spoil yourselves rotten with stuff you really didn't need but desperately couldn't live without? Until next time, you guys, I do know my BoxyCharm has been shipped, so I'm really excited to get my January box, and I will be uploading that unboxing video when I get it. Until next time, see you guys later.